outtake today then. Hello from the farm. As you can probably see, we're not working on the car today or this week. Although it's been lovely weather and would have been perfect for working on the car, we've both been working. So you've been in Wales, haven't you?
Yeah, I've been in Snowdonia filming all week for the BBC, and Kirsty's had a few things to do, so we've not had a chance to jump on the car, but we will very soon, very soon.
Yes, and we have some good news. So we're going to take a little walk and show you where we're going to be moving to.
This is an old barn. I don't know what was stored in there before, some old machinery or something. So the farmer has very handily cleared it out for us. And we've got enough space for a car and some benches and anything else we could need. So it's all right at the back, a single at the front. Some nesting birds in here, which will have to go in the winter. But yeah, finally get ourselves indoors. And also we've got some nosy neighbours behind you.
Is getting the car straight through the doorway. It's not going to come that far into us because it's such a small car. Maybe get some shelves along the back here, and then around here there's tons of space, so hopefully we can put some workbenches that we can work on. And also it's actually quite high up into the ceiling, so if we did want more space for any reason, we could put a mezzanine layer in there as well. So yeah, lots of potential in here. But I think the next big thing that we're going to have to do is obviously try to move the car from where it is into this barn. So that's probably what we're looking at next. That's going to depend on when we have time, and we don't know how we're going to do it yet. So yeah, that's going to be an interesting one.
So just an update for you there on progress. It's typical, now the sun's out, we're going to move the car inside. We've been outside all winter.
But I think it's very exciting that we've now got some space. It means that we can progress a little bit more. We'll still be tinkering, but I think we have more potential with this area. So hopefully see you soon. So if you want to see our progress as we move into the barn, please subscribe and like our videos. See you next time.